Have you ever been out with friends, splitting the bill, and realized you forgot your wallet? Or maybe you needed to pay someone back for a quick favor, but neither of you wanted to deal with the hassle of bank transfers or Cash App fees. Well, that's where mobile payment apps come in. These nifty apps let you send and receive money with just a few taps on your phone, often using fun features and customizations. But with so many options out there, you might be wondering, which mobile payment app reigns supreme? Today, we're diving deep into one such app, Venmo, to see if it's the right fit for you. We'll explore which countries Venmo operates in, its unique features, and some potential drawbacks to consider before you download it. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of Venmo. The Venmoverse, where is it accepted? Alright, imagine this, you're on a trip to a new country, eager to explore its vibrant culture and delicious food. You snap a picture with a local artisan who crafted a beautiful souvenir, and you want to pay them instantly. But hold on, will Venmo work here? Unfortunately, as of today, Venmo limits its services to the United States. So, if you're an avid globetrotter, Venmo might not be your best bet for international transactions. However, there are several other mobile payment apps that boast wider global reach, so don't worry, globetrotters, we've got you covered in a future video. Beyond boring bank transfers, the Venmo vibe. Okay, so Venmo might not be your international money transfer hero, but what makes it stand out within the US? Well, unlike traditional bank transfers that can be slow and impersonal, Venmo injects a dose of fun into the money exchange process. Here's what sets Venmo apart. Social feed. Venmo boasts a social feed where you can see your friends' transactions, with privacy settings, of course. This can be a fun way to keep track of shared expenses, add playful comments to payments, and maybe even get a good laugh at your friends' questionable spending habits. We've all been there. Emoji magic. Instead of dry descriptions for your payments, Venmo lets you choose from a vast library of emojis to represent the transaction. Sending rent money? Use a house emoji. Paying a friend back for concert tickets? How about a musical note emoji? It's a small touch, but it adds a layer of personality to your transactions. Splitting bills with ease. Splitting a restaurant bill with multiple friends? No problem. Venmo allows you to easily divide the bill amongst everyone, making those post-dinner calculations a breeze. Venmo, a few things to consider. While Venmo offers a fun and convenient way to send and receive money, there are a few things to keep in mind. Security. Since Venmo transactions can be public by default, depending on your privacy settings, it's crucial to be mindful of who you send money to. Only send money to people you trust and be cautious of online scams. Fees. While Venmo is generally free for person-to-person transfers, there are some fees associated with instant transfers or using a credit card to send money. Be sure to check the fee structure before making a transaction. Limited features. Compared to some other mobile payment apps, Venmo offers a more stripped-down feature set. It primarily focuses on peer-to-peer payments and doesn't offer functionalities like bill payments or in-store purchases. So, is Venmo right for you? Ultimately, whether Venmo is the perfect fit for you depends on your needs. If you're looking for a fun and easy way to send and receive money amongst friends and family within the US, Venmo is a great option. However, if you need a mobile payment app for international transactions, in-store purchases, or a wider range of financial features, you might want to explore other options. Remember, the financial landscape is ever evolving, and new mobile payment apps are constantly emerging. So, stay tuned for future videos where we'll explore other popular contenders in the mobile payment arena. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.